guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to react on Sanam Puri's new song. I have never heard and it looks so nice, and the title is
looks so nicey.
I mean it sounds so nice. It looks nice. See the picture.
Yes.
तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गई.
Yes.
Let's watch and see.
What is that mean, by the way?
I don't know. I have to think. He is one of my favorite singer.
Okay, let's see.
You.
The Home Minister favorite singer.
I like you, Sanam Puri. Let's
Okay,
click.
1, 2, 3. Let's react.
तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए, तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए। हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए, तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए। मौत भी आती नहीं, आस भी जाती नहीं, मौत भी आती नहीं, आस भी जाती नहीं। दिल को ये क्या हो गया, कोई शय बाती नहीं। लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए, हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए। तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए। एक जार लाख गम घुट के रह जाए ना दम, आओ तुमको देख ले डूबती नजरों से हम। लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, लूट कर मेरा जहां छुप गए हो तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ, तुम कहाँ। तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए, हम भरी दुनिया में तन्हा हो गए। तुम ना जाने किस जहां में खो गए।
Yes, so nice and beautiful. What a beautiful voice.
It stopped. I thought it is somewhere still there. I want to listen more actually. It finished so soon.
You can keep repeating, no problem.
Keep riveting.
She keeps on.
Okay, Sisi, what do you think about that song? First of all,
Nice voice.
1 point.
And
Point number 2.
Susanna will tell point number 2.
Tell the point number 2. Susanna?
Point number 2. Why is the door dirty?
Huh? Why is the door dirty?
The door
That's
it's a vintage aesthetic.
Okay, I like the voice though.
Okay.
You like the voice too? And the
Yeah.
door is dirty.
No.
That is the design.
Yeah, it's
the design
vintage.
for the video. Vintage. Okay, very
How is
good.
that dirty?
And then, Mami, what is that?
Everything is so nice and so beautiful.
Everything. Okay.
It's so cool. I mean, the way the song is so cool, and
The sound flows.
actually, he is searching for the girl that she has gone, and it's a sad song.
But this is
But so to me, it seems so like classical song.
for me, I
It's
don't
kind of a cool song, and it's very nice.
Yes, the video quality,
Everything is
photography
it's
is
very
good. And the music is good. And his voice is, yes, the main reason why we are reacting today. Voice is good. And his expression, he's feeling the song. That is another plus point that he has. His emotion, expressions, and he's feeling it.
Guys, this is a new song.
A
His
month
new
ago.
song. So you can check it out. It's very nice. And there are many other songs. He has been singing cover songs and his
Correct.
all songs. It's so nice. I'm telling you, his voice is so nice. And
In future, we are going to react more songs from him. So watch out. By the way, this is her channel, my wife's channel. Please subscribe this new channel. And if you like this reaction video, do share and comment what you think about the reaction.
thank you, guys.
Bye.